Typical night at our house. Dakota's playing with something, probably a piece of junk toy. Evie's roaming around wondering what she can do. Kids, all they do is play games and stay on the phone, so it gets kind of boring. And then there's me. I can't film my room because it's messy. Dakota, get out here. There's Dakota playing. There's the girls doing nothing. One on PS4, one on her phone. There's Dakota again. I'll follow. Ah! Yep. That's basically what we do at night. Dakota, don't damage the wall. And then, there's Mom trying to play with Evie. Mom, get her to lay down. It's okay, Dakota. It's okay, Dakota. It's okay, Dakota. Whenever Evie barks, he gets overwhelmed a little bit. Stop throwing that, Dakota. Against the wall. There's my boy. Again, this is our life. It's a little bit boring, but oh well. In a little bit, we'll try to get Dakota to do a toy review. Post a little bit of a video. Today's been a very active day. I will talk to you more about that in a second when I put it on me. Well, anyways, that's my update. I'm trying to get the girls more involved, but that's kind of hard. Talk to you later. Hey, welcome to Dakota and Family. This is Jason, Nonverbal Daddy. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how the last night went. Last night, well, it's a good night for Dakota, except for one thing. He got up and didn't want to go back to bed. He stayed up for 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. I didn't get him back to sleep until about 4. And he played and he stimmied and all that, and I tried to get him to lay down. What I try to do is keep the house dark so that his senses doesn't get overwhelmed. I also try to get him to go to sleep, but sometimes that doesn't work. Usually I end up giving up and letting him play after about 2 hours. Let's see, I got a phone call from the deputy chief of this county. Wanted to let me know that he basically chewed out the deputy that came and visited us the other day. He asked me if I wanted anything else done to him. I said, listen, as long as he learns from the experience, that'd be okay. But he said if a 48-year-old man that's sober tells you that nobody is by that in that house by that name, then you gotta believe him. Especially if the house is dark and his son's running around with nothing but a pull-up on. In a little bit, we're gonna do a toy review, and see if he'll do it. Right now, he's playing. And he probably won't do it, but we'll still film it anyway. Let's see what else. We got up real late, about 8:45. I've been busy trying to run errands, trying to get computer parts and all that. Getting ready to sell my laptop and all that. I got a computer tower that we installed. My wife did typical housework. I helped her a little bit. I dried dishes. Basically just a boring day in the Dakota family household. Alright, in the next clip I'll show you Dakota playing and talk to you about our typical evening. Talk to you later. Bye. This is Dakota's toy review. We're filming this even if he doesn't want to play with it, because we'll show you how hard it is to get him to cooperate sometimes. But it's a top that never stops. It has 32 different lights in it, 3 batteries. We'll have links and more descriptions at the bottom. It's $6 or $7. It's great for sensory for all kinds of kids. Even a 2-year-old neurotypical kid probably would love it. maybe even a 3 or 4 year old. But our son, he usually likes it, but he's playing with something right now, and he may go 8. He may have a meltdown. Either way, we're filming this, and we'll show you what it's like to try to get him to change. Transition is kind of hard for autistic kids. Okay, next clip will be the toy review, or it may be a meltdown. Dakota, where are you? Come here, I got something for you. Come here, I got something for you. Come here, I got something for you. Look, I got something for you. Transition time. Come here, boy. Look. He's uncooperative right now. Look, Dakota. Look. You don't want that? Come on. Alright, we're done. Well, that was an epic film. He wanted to do something else. That's what's hard, to introduce new stuff to him. Transitioning is kind of hard for autistic kids. Now he's acting out by paying attention, but he's trained to ignore it. As you see, we try to introduce stuff. And then what you do is you just hold this until it stops, I think, right? Yeah. And then it stops. You pull it up and hold it and it stops. Dakota usually likes this, but he just doesn't want to cooperate there. He wants to be on his own. I'll talk to you later. Alright, are you still filming? Hey, that's not fair. Follow me into the other room. And don't catch my backside, I might have some poop on there. Okay, I got an idea for a video. And I need your comments and your questions in the video below. I want you to think of 5 questions related to what it's like to be a parent of an autistic kid. Give us 5 questions and we'll answer them in the video, and we'll even use hashtags. I hope that helps you and show you how difficult it is.
Hashtag.
Well, hashtag what, babe? I'm fumbling here. Hashtag what parents of...
Make it short.
What? Hashtag what it's like to be special needs parents. Hashtag special needs parents. We'll do that. Again, ask us a question though in our comments below in the video, or even on Twitter when I do this. Again, you can tell by the way I just did this vlog that I'm not professional, but I don't care. I'm just sharing our story, and I'm looking like a fool sometimes. But at least I do a good job. Okay, until then, like, subscribe to this video. Talk to you later. Daddy's gonna mimic you.
Is Daddy mimicking you?
Look, it's fun. My hands are numb. Oh, your hand got sore, huh? Where you get that scratch from, buddy? Did you see that? Did you scratch yourself?
And a bruise.
And a bruise. That's a big old bruise. We'll have to check that out in your folder to see what happened at school. Yeah. Trying to play with Dakota, trying to interact with him is kind of hard. You just kind of force the issue a little bit sometimes. He usually loves tickling, but I want to play with him right now, but he doesn't want to play with me. But that's okay. Here we go! Oh, did I hit your... Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Okay. Don't want to ask him a kiss sometimes. I still want a kiss. You ever want to wear clothes? Let me know. It's not like dog food, boy. Right here. You can go lay down. Girl, get it. Go. This is our typical night. A little bit boring, but we'll make fun of it. But we decided we're trying to figure out ways to get the girls interested in stuff. So if you got any suggestions, please put it in the comment too. We interact with as many big YouTubers as we can. If you have noticed, we have made some comments on people. We're at 140 subscribers. We thank you very much. We will interact with you as much as possible. Again, we have special needs kids. Sometimes our timing's wrong. You know, sometimes it takes us a while to get back to you. But I guarantee you, we'll watch your videos. We just ask that you watch ours. Look at that, boy. You're playing ball by yourself. Oh my gosh. Oh! You gotta try it. Ooh. Don't throw my butt. Ugh. God, I'm old.
Ow!
Watch this. Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Oh.
Ow! You say ow.
Ow.
Ow!
I didn't even hear you.
Good job for saying ow.
Ow!
Ow!
Ah! Oh, he's coming around. Oh! Uh-oh. Ah! We're having a ball. Oh, I tell you. I'm not hurting him real hard. It's a real soft dog ball. Full of drill, probably. Mixed with Dakota's and Evie's drill. Another thing Dakota likes to do, and most autistic kids that are low functioning, they'll like to, I think even the higher functioning, like to introduce stuff to their mouth. Right now he's playing. I'm not being mean, I'm not throwing it hard, it's real soft. He likes playing rough.